How to change Add to Cart button text in Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit text in your Shopify store. First of all, open your web browser. Type in shopify.com and open your Shopify store. Tap on Login at the top right corner. Click on the online store at the left side of the page. Select View Your Store at the top left corner. Scroll down and select your featured products. Check the text of the Add to Cart button. Go to Themes and click on three dots near the Customize button. Select Edit Default Theme Content. Type Add to Cart in Filter Items. Type in Add to Shopping Cart. Theme content has been updated. Go to My Store and refresh the page. Scroll down and go to Themes. Click on View Your Status. Click on Featured Products. Now you can see the cart button has been changed. That's how you can change the text of the Add to Cart button in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.